Hello, I'm Megan Wilson, and I'm proud to say I'm your new Luther Norse Athletic Director. I'm standing here today in the construction zone of the Gerdin Fieldhouse renovation in a new space that will impact every Norse student athlete. Prior to this project, Norse teams lacked a space where they could come together for meetings, film, and just to enhance the student athlete experience. On behalf of more than 550 Norse student athletes, I want to say thank you to those of you that have supported this Fieldhouse renovation project. President Brad Chamberlain has set some important expectations for Norse athletics: competition, character, and community. As a former student athlete, coach, and administrator, I understand what competition in Division III is all about. We are going to set those expectations for our teams. At Luther, our teams exist for the opportunity to develop leadership, teamwork, and grit. These are the soft skills that employers are seeking and what separates our graduates from other graduates. Community is what sets us apart here at Luther College. One of my first goals is building new relationships on campus and connecting with our local towns, community, and high schools. And I want to invite our entire student body to reconnect with their classmates at events this year and challenge everyone here at Luther College to see themselves as a Norse. I want to build an atmosphere at our home events that represents the power that comes from being a united community. Over the coming weeks, we will show you more of the physical changes happening here at Luther Athletics and talk about how you can continue to make a difference here at Luther College. I really hope the most important change you see is our recommitment to competition, character, and community in Norse athletics. Go Norse!